Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. The Facebook page is up and running. I want to share some information about that with you, as well as share with you a show cancellation, sadly, and a little bench talk. So let's get to it. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.net. Hey guys, first up, the show cancellation. If you have not already seen this on their Facebook group, the MDA Quality Model Car Contest in Roanoke, Virginia on March the 7th has been canceled. This is one of my favorite shows. I really hate that, but I also understand sometimes things happen. And in this case, there was a venue issue, and the venue that has been used in the past, the Berglund Center, has always been more than enough to accommodate the real car show and the models. And just something that happened, and as you remember, our theme for this show was Tom Daniel kits, as you see here, and we're doing the cherry bomb, and I've got something else too. But you know what, there's always themes like that, so I'm going to go ahead and continue that on those builds. But these things sadly happen. I think Dennis and the guys been doing this a lot of years. Somebody mentioned they thought it was close to 30, but these things happen, sadly, and hopefully we'll get back at it next year. But anyway, wanted to share that with you in case you hadn't seen that on Facebook yet. Okay, speaking of Facebook, our Facebook channel is up, or Facebook page, excuse me, is up now, and you can find it here, the Hobby Dude 007 scale models / Mark Batson, or just when you put it in like that, it'll probably come up. Now, I ask your patience on this, in that this has only been up about 2 days, and I'm scrounging to still learn what I can't do, that kind of stuff, plus posting. I'm going to be posting for a while, just my builds and stuff like that. And it's going to take a while to go back and put some old stuff on there, and then try to keep up with the new stuff, because I plan on Amanda's pickup build. I want to put that, I'll attach that to it, as well as some pictures as we go along, not just in her builds, but in mine. So I've already got on there the 40 Ford, the last update on the modified, the 40 Ford modified. So going to be doing that and a lot of other things. And you content creators, if you have a Facebook page and have any suggestions, hey, PM me. I'm all ears. But so far I've gotten a really good response. Head over to the page, follow the page. I would truly appreciate it. Share it with others. And I'll look forward to having some fun with that, as well as I do with YouTube. So I appreciate your support and your help there more than you guys know. So I really, truly love and appreciate you for it. What's up next? Amanda and I today, she's home this afternoon, we are going to do a box opening on her 50, I keep wanting to say Ford, Chevrolet pickup truck like her dad's. And that's the direction she's decided to go. I'm letting the cat out of the bag a little bit, but she's going to do her dad's contracting truck with that, and got several other things going on too. So I'll be sharing that with you coming down the pike too. So hopefully everything just keeps on rocking along. Guys, God bless. I'll see you in the next video.